the German Jews were assimilated and were so, they were German Jews. My father was an officer in the German army in World War I, and he belonged to an organization called the German Jewish Frontkämpfer, the people who, and he was really fighting at the front. He was wounded twice, had the Iron Cross, and the whole milieu of the German Jews was deeply involved with the German culture as much as with the Jewish cultural traditions. But I suspect that our family was not untypical of being Jewish, being culturally very aware of being Jewish, but having the long tradition of German literature, music, etc. And I guess looking back, it was almost impossible for people like my parents to anticipate and to accept what happened under the Nazis, because they were so fond and proud of their culture and the literature and everything German.